Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Saline Nasal Packets is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for maintaining nasal health and alleviating discomfort, offering a gentle and effective way to cleanse and moisturize nasal passages, which can be a game changer for anyone suffering from allergies, colds, sinus issues, or even just dry air. Number 5. NeilMed Sinus Rinse Premixed Refill Packets. Experience all-natural relief from sinus congestion. These packets offer a simple and effective way to cleanse your nasal passages. Our premixed packets make sinus rinsing effortless. Simply add water to the recommended level in your rinse bottle for a soothing experience. Formulated for gentleness, these packets provide a comfortable and non-irritating cleanse. They help wash away irritants and allergens effectively. Support your sinus health with a trusted, all-natural solution. Regular use can help maintain clear and healthy nasal passages. This 100-count pack ensures you have a lasting supply of relief. Keep your sinuses comfortable and clear for longer periods. What we like? This option offers a simple, all-natural approach to nasal rinsing. If you prefer a straightforward, natural solution and need a large supply, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those seeking a no-fuss, effective way to maintain nasal hygiene. What people say. The Saline Nasal Packets are individually wrapped and sterile, making them convenient and hygienic for travel or on-the-go use. These packets deliver a gentle and effective saline mist that helps to moisturize nasal passages and clear congestion without any burning or stinging sensation. The design of the nozzle allows for precise application, ensuring the saline solution reaches the intended areas of the nasal cavity for optimal relief. Number 4. Navage Starter Bundle, Complete Sinus Care Kit. Tired of sinus congestion? Discover the revolutionary way to clear your nasal passages. Experience the power of Navage. This starter bundle provides everything you need for complete sinus care. It's a comprehensive solution for your nasal health. Our system uses gentle, powered nasal irrigation to effectively clean your sinuses. It's designed for maximum comfort and effectiveness. The bundle comes with 30 pre-measured salt pods. These are perfectly dosed for optimal results with every use. Enjoy clinically proven benefits for congestion relief. Feel better and breathe easier with this advanced system. It's simple to use and delivers effective relief. Get back to feeling your best with this innovative nasal cleaner. What we like? Experience advanced nasal care with this powered system. If you're looking for a high-tech, convenient, and clinically proven solution, this bundle is for you. It's perfect for individuals who want a streamlined, effective, and modern approach to sinus relief. What people say. The Saline Nasal Packets are individually wrapped and sterile, making them convenient for travel. These packets are a great way to moisturize nasal passages and relieve dryness without medication. The solution is gentle and doesn't cause any burning or stinging sensation, which is a big plus for sensitive noses. Number 3. Xlear Natural Sinus Rinse with Xylitol. Experience natural relief for your nasal passages. This rinse is designed to cleanse and soothe, promoting better breathing. Infused with the natural sweetness of xylitol, it offers an extra layer of comfort and effectiveness. It helps moisturize your nasal passages. Say goodbye to uncomfortable pressure and congestion. This solution works quickly to help you feel better. Designed for convenience, it seamlessly integrates with most nasal irrigation systems. Just add water and you're ready to go. Soothe dryness and irritation effectively. It provides much-needed moisture for relief from a dry nose. Each pack contains 50-count refills, ensuring you have plenty on hand. It's a simple way to maintain your sinus health. What we like? Benefit from the added moisturizing power of xylitol. If you suffer from a dry nose or seek extra soothing relief, this is an excellent option. It's designed for those who need enhanced hydration and compatibility with their existing nasal rinse devices. What people say. This saline nasal spray is a game changer for my sinus congestion. It's gentle and effective, providing instant relief. I love how easy it is to use this nasal spray. The nozzle delivers a fine mist that reaches deep into the nasal passages, making it very convenient. The saline solution is pure and hydrating, helping to moisturize my dry nasal passages. It doesn't sting or burn, which is a huge plus. Number 2. Nasal Irrigator with bonus saline packets. Experience soothing relief for your sinuses. This device offers a gentle way to clear nasal passages. Our nasal cleaner system is designed for simplicity. It effectively cleans your nasal passages with ease. Enjoy the convenience of a waterproof design. It makes cleaning and usage hassle-free. Choose from 3 distinct pressure settings: normal, soft, and pulse. Find the perfect level for your comfort. Get started right away with the included bonus of 30 saline packets. Everything you need for effective irrigation. What we like? Take control of your nasal irrigation with adjustable pressure. If you need a customizable experience or a device that's easy to use and clean, consider this irrigator. It's suitable for users who want to tailor the intensity of their rinse and appreciate the added value of bonus packets. What people say. The saline nasal packets are individually wrapped and sterile, making them convenient for travel and on-the-go use. Each packet contains a pre-measured amount of saline solution, ensuring consistent and effective nasal irrigation. The packets are designed with a flexible tip that allows for easy insertion into the nasal passages without causing discomfort. Number 1. Squip Nasaline Nasal Rinsing Kit. Discover a natural way to cleanse your nasal passages. This kit offers a simple and effective solution for daily nasal hygiene. Experience gentle yet thorough cleansing with our specially designed rinsing system. It helps to wash away irritants and allergens, promoting clearer breathing. Each kit comes with 50 convenient, pre-mixed saline packets. This ensures the perfect saline solution every time, making your rinsing routine effortless. Designed for ease of use, it's suitable for the whole family. Simply mix the packet with water and rinse for soothing relief. Say goodbye to congestion and discomfort. Embrace a feeling of freshness and clarity with regular use of this nasal rinsing system. Invest in your respiratory well-being. This kit is an essential tool for maintaining optimal nasal health and comfort throughout the year. What we like? This kit provides a straightforward and complete solution for nasal rinsing. If you're new to nasal irrigation or prefer a simple, all-in-one package, this is a fantastic starting point. It's ideal for anyone looking for an uncomplicated and effective way to achieve nasal clarity. What people say. The saline nasal packets are individually wrapped and easy to use. These packets provide a gentle and effective way to clear nasal passages. The saline solution is preservative-free, which is great for sensitive noses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.